Good evening. My name is Aabha Kairi and I'm currently tuning in from the campus at IIM Rohtak. Words cannot begin to feel the amount of gratitude I feel towards CH Edgemakers and the entire faculty and student body there. They have guided, coached, mentored and held my hands through the entire journey, and I am so grateful to every single person in the faculty. From Ajay sir, who was an overall parent and guided me through the emotional as well as the analysis part of the mocks, to Sheetal ma'am, who was my emotional guide, who I could confide in about anything and everything, Amit sir, who helped me push through the tough topics in quants, and Ambud sir and all the other teachers who helped me in my 11th standard as well. And the management itself, the atmosphere of the coaching, which was so conducive to a happy and healthy studying environment, and last of all, the entire student body, and the fact that the combined efforts of all these people as well as my family have, borne fruit to me finally reaching an IIM in my first attempt, and it is all thanks to them. And this being done in spite of my online coaching was something that is so excellent that I cannot even begin to cover the amount of happiness and gratefulness I feel. So thank you so much.